Hello guys, today I will be doing a tutorial on how to create a simple React app for the first time. So let's start. So this is a create React app documentation page. So React gives us a command called create React app to create a basic boilerplate to start with a simple React application, and we can like build up on that code to make our own customized version of the app. So I'll be using that only. So let's go to VS Code, and I'm creating a new project. Open folder, new folder, React hello world, I'm calling it, and our env is ready. So I'll just open the terminal. So here I need to run npm init first to initiate our app. So I'll be getting this package.json after I ran this npm init. So right now I can run npx create react app and the current directory. Okay, I think I don't need this package.json. This npx create react app will automatically create this package file. So now I'll try again. It will take a couple of minutes, I guess. Yes. This command already gave us the package.json, package loc, readme, and two folders in the parent directory, including the public and the source. So the source will contain the source code for our React program development. So it will include the index.js. This is our main root component of the React that I will explain later, and we'll have the app.js file that will be the immediate child of the root, and the corresponding css file, and yeah, and in the public it will be this main index file that will be rendered in the after the build as a final index file of our app. So this is that index file that contains some configurations and stuff, and we'll have some logo, some static images. So this is what our create react app will do. So let's see our app by running it. So if you go to package.json, we can see how to start our command. We'll have the start command already, so we can just run npm start. Yes, our app is successfully has been ran, and it's running in port 3000. And in case we want to change our app, we just need to go to app.js and change our wording or text here. I can just call it hello world here. See, the React app will automatically reload on any change, and you can see the change directly here. And that's it about this video. Thank you.